change the air filter of a Interseptor 650. उसके लिए हमें चाहिए air filter. That's the part number and that's the price. Obviously हमें चाहिए Interseptor, and I hope it doesn't rain. So let's get on before it starts raining. एक short break के बाद let's continue. You just have to turn this. इसको यहाँ से remove किया. Keep this safe. Be sure to keep the painted side on top. Next, you have to pull this guy and push the seat up like this. Okay, so that's easy. This is removed. Keep it safely. Now what you have to do is, you can see this Allen key bolt. Yes, you have to remove this guy. Okay, that was easy. To work this out like this and like this, और नीचे से you have to pull it on top. This is your air filter ka box. So take a screwdriver, remove the 3 screws. That's the air filter. It seems like in a pretty bad shape. You just have to pull it out like this and you're done. Yeah, that was in a bad shape. Take a clean cloth and wipe the air filter chamber from inside, and then we'll install the new one. Old air filter, this is the new air filter. You just have to slot this in like this. It's a straight fit, you don't have to worry about anything else. Take the cover, you have to align the cover with that hole, this hole down there, and to press it in. Chana yaar. Put these 3 screws and you're good to go. Back in place. अभी ये side panel डालेंगे. This slots in there. Okay. This slots in here. And यहाँ पे आपको इसके ऊपर आना चाहिए. Okay. Put that bolt back there. Put the seat back on, start the motor, and that's how you change the air filter on a Royal Enfield Interceptor. Thank you so much for watching. Follow and subscribe. Peace out.